All right, so you want to make your juice, but you don't have a juicer. What can you do? I'm gonna go ahead and use my blender. Let me show you how I do it. Now that your juice is all blended, you need a strainer. You need a strainer or you need a nut bag. And I know that you can buy nut bags online. You can also go to Whole Foods. They usually sell these on one of the end caps near their bulk section. All right, so which one do I want to use? I think that I'm going to go ahead and use the nut bag, the nut milk bag, just so you can see what I'm doing. So I have my pitcher. I'm putting my nut milk bag in the pitcher. Now, please know that this could get messy. So I am going to put a tray underneath. All right, here's the juice. All right, super pulpy. All we want to do is we want to get the pulp out. Now, that's not to say that you can't drink this with the pulp, but most people won't like it. Okay? So, take a look. And I'm just squeezing it. See that? So that is one way that you could juice. It's going to take you a little bit of while, but I don't know, choose a weekend when you're just chilling at the house and you can take your time and make this, okay? Just make sure that once you do this to put it in a airtight jar, okay? Hopefully that helps you. Now, please know that, you know, I juice to, if I know that I've been bad, I'm eating stuff that I shouldn't have, and I feel, you know, blocked up and I kind of want to reset myself, that's when I'm going to go ahead and detox and do a little bit of a juice cleanse. But I'm only going to probably take about 2-3 days to do that, and in between juicing, I'm going to go ahead and eat some salads. So that's kind of how I do it. All right? Let me know if you have any other questions. Oh, and I wanted to mention, so here's the pulp, okay? Look at that. This you could oh, darn it. I'm gonna have to strain it again, but this you could repurpose, okay? You could make crackers out of this, put this in your crackers. You could use this as a base for a soup, something like that. Just remember you did have some lime with rind on it, all right? So it might taste a little bit sour, but you can repurpose this, okay? I hope that you make healthy choices, one meal or one drink at a time. All right.